David and Goliath. A long time ago, in a land called Israel, there was a young shepherd boy named David. He was brave and loved God very much. David took care of his father's sheep and played beautiful music on his harp. One day, a giant warrior named Goliath came to fight the Israelites. Goliath was very big and strong, and everyone was afraid of him. He challenged the Israelites, saying, "Choose a man to come and fight me." David's older brothers were in the army, and they were scared too. When David visited them, he heard Goliath's challenge. David was not afraid. He trusted God to help him. He told King Saul, "I will fight Goliath." King Saul was surprised but agreed to let David try. He gave David his armor, but it was too big and heavy. David decided to fight Goliath with just his sling and 5 smooth stones he picked from a stream. When Goliath saw David, he laughed. But David was not scared. He said, "You come with a sword, but I come in the name of the Lord." David put a stone in his sling and swung it around. He let the stone fly, and it hit Goliath right on the forehead. Goliath fell to the ground with a thud. David had defeated Goliath with God's help. The Israelites cheered, and David became a hero. He showed everyone that even the smallest person can do great things with faith and courage. This story teaches us that no matter how small or young we are, we can face big challenges with faith and trust in God.